Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce a new widget in your Brightspace courses that allows you to create a Microsoft team for your Brightspace courses with the click of a button. So all you have to do is just log into your Brightspace course, and if you want to create a Microsoft team for your course, you'll scroll down just under the announcements area here on your course homepage, and you'll see a new widget titled NBCC Teams Course Sync. You'll see a button that says Create Team. If you would like to create a Microsoft team for your Brightspace course, you'll just press that button. It takes about 24 hours for the team to be set up. So just a few things to keep in mind. It does take that 24 hours to set up the team. So generally what we tell people is if you do it, for example, on a Monday, you can check on Tuesday morning and the team will be created for you. Now, one thing I do recommend is that instructors only press the Create Team button when your full class roster has been enrolled in Brightspace. The reason for that is because right now we don't have an automated sync process between your Brightspace courses and the Microsoft team. So what that means for you is as the instructor, after you press the Create Team button, it takes a snapshot of your student roster at that time. So if any students withdraw from your course or are added to your course after you press that Create Team button, you're going to have to manually go on and enroll or unenroll those students. And so after you press that Create Team button, it will change the status to Team Creation Queued. So as I said, it takes about 24 hours for the process to run and your team to be created. And now once your team does get created, under the widget, you'll see that little team created option right here now. And so then what you'll do is you'll go into your Microsoft Teams environment, into the Teams application here, and you'll go under your Teams area where all your teams are listed. And then you'll scroll down and find that team that was created on your list. And so this is one very important thing that I want to note about this process, that all instructors will have to do this. So once you see the team has been created and you go in the first time, you're going to have to activate it for your students. So you can see up here at the very top of the screen here with this Brightspace instructor training course, there's 345 students waiting to join. And so the students will only be kind of enrolled in the team and have access to the team once you press the activate button. All right, so that's one thing to note with that. And again, as the term goes on, if students are enrolled or unenrolled from your course in Brightspace, you'll have to make those adjustments manually at this point in time. One final note is you do not have to do this process. You don't have to create a Microsoft team for your Brightspace courses. This is an additional feature if instructors want, but you can still use the Teams meeting space via the Brightspace calendar. So you can just go onto the calendar in Brightspace and create your Teams meetings that way without having an actual Microsoft team created for your course. So I just wanted to clarify that. This is just for those instructors that maybe want to have a team where you can have conversations and share information outside of the Brightspace learning environment. So this concludes the tutorial on creating a Microsoft team through your Brightspace courses.